Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle McVeigh, and today I wanted to show you the 2026 Sea Ray SDX 290. There's tons of great features about this boat that I'd like to show you. One of the first ones is this manual fold-down swim step. Drops down, sits in the water so you can rest, relax while you're waiting and playing at the back of the boat. So while everybody's swimming at the back of the boat, you can be sitting here in the adjustable rear-facing lounges, chilling, catching a little sun, watching the kids play behind the boat. So now that we've entered the cockpit of the boat, I want you to take a look around. There's a whole lot of stuff in here for entertaining. We've got adjustable seating here. We've got an awesome grill with a fridge. Really cool teak table. Folds out so you can have full size or you can make space to pass. You've even got adjustable backrests on the seating so you can set it up so that people facing forward or backward can be comfortable. I've already mentioned a bunch of entertainment spaces in this boat, but it's not done there. Up in the front, in the bow, there's a big sun pad to lay out and catch a lot of sun. So come on in to MarineMax Dallas, check us out. We'll be glad to see you soon.